I would do that.
Welcome back to Daytime Live. So the highly anticipated 2024 Racers Grand Prix will be held on June 1 at the National Stadium in Kingston, Jamaica. Joining us to tell us all about it is CEO of the event, Mr. Devon Blake. Welcome, sir.
Thank you very much for having me today.
Welcome, Mike Onion, Devon Blake.
Can't get away
this.
from that.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
All right, so firstly, everybody wants to know, we're talking about it. Who are the athletes that will be present, participating in this year's event?
Well, the premier athlete for this year would be Noah Lyles, world champion over the 100 meter and 200 meter. We also have young Jaden Hibbert, who the triple jump sensation.
Long jump, yeah.
I must say for Noah Lyles, he has great competition in the 100 meter Jamaican competition. So we have Oblique Civil, our own local star, and we have Zarnel Hughes, who actually won bronze at the World Championships last year. And Omanyala, the fastest African man, also joins them in that hot 100 meter.
All right, I'm seeing Hansel Parchment too. Okay.
Parchment in the 110 meter hurdles. He takes on Rashid Broadbell, who makes his return from injury. Now we have on the female side, we have Julian Alfred. She won indoor 60 meter this year. She takes on Alana Reid, young Jamaican Alana Reid.
Yes, Alana's been great.
And we have two more young Jamaican athletes who will be in that race also. We'll reveal on Friday.
You don't want too much. You don't want to give us too much.
We reveal on Friday.
Yeah, create the excitement.
So tell us, what are some of the most competitive events that we can expect to see in track and field this year?
That 100 meter, first and foremost, is fire. It comes at a time of the year when the athletes are starting to fine-tune their skills, and expect some blazing times out of those four gentlemen. You can put your pot on the fire in Jamaican parlance and expect some fireworks. The women's 110 hurdles also will have some Divine Charlton. She is the 60 meter world record holder. The 400 meter women also has Cherokee Young, Stacey Ann Williams, and Ireland sensation Rashidat Adeleki. The triple jump, Will Clay and Jaden Hibbert will also be a hot event. So we look forward to great fireworks from those.
Beautiful. So these are the rivalries that you think persons should be really excited about. Are
Correct. These are world rivalries. There's international stars on local soil. You have to come out and see
And
it.
just see them and compete
You
and clash.
have to see them come and compete.
All right, I understand.
Yes.
Okay, all right.
All right, so as a World Athletics Continental silver meet in an Olympic year, how will performances at the Racers Grand Prix impact overall season?
It's
Good question.
It's an Olympic year, first and foremost, and stars are made at the Olympics.
Right.
That's where you become legend.
Right.
So these athletes are preparing to go and win gold and have their names become household reference points for track and field. Antonio Watson did it last year at the Racers Grand Prix. He won the 400 meter there. Well, he had a personal best there, and he went to the World Championship and he was successful. In previous times, like Shelley and Fraser Price, she made her return from having her child at the Racers Grand Prix. And then went on to win at the Olympics. So we have that tradition. It's strategically placed at this point of the year, so that those who are able to make a return, if you want to fine tune, you get the best of them.
See where you are, check your skills,
the best
see where
of
you're
them,
there.
because the next event is generally national championships.
You can't test out this, or
No,
you have to,
there is performance.
Got you. So right here is where everybody needs to be.
Correct.
Okay, so turning to the fans, what should they know before coming to the stadium?
First and foremost, let's talk about the entry to the stadium.
Okay.
So we have identified that there were some issues from the other meets that occurred in terms of traffic.
Right.
The stadium will be opening more gates for that, to alleviate that. They will also be opening the gate at the top on Mountain View Road. Right, so there will be multiple entrances and exits to alleviate traffic flow. So that's one pain point that we tried to address. Also, in terms of our sponsors, there will be plenty giveaways throughout the meet. I have seen where persons are giving away Brechet bags. I've seen where there will be a 65-inch television given away.
I'll go for the TV.
We're allowed to call sponsors, yes?
Yeah, man, you can.
Okay.
You can.
Red Stripe will be giving away that television. Digicel will be giving away the Brescia bag. We have other sponsors who will be doing other things. And you see this thing right here?
Right.
Racers Grand Prix, you can't miss it.
Right.
This one here, Adidas, has been a traditional, long-standing partner with us. They are the only company that we have that has a multi-year contract with us. Jamaican National has been a great support. I didn't want to start this,
Yeah, because now you feel like, okay, but that's good. That's a good amount of sponsors. Yeah, man.
You can put up any of them that you remember. You can drop them in.
I'd love if you could put up something.
Yeah, man.
You like.
But can you share any kind of details about the time, ticket availability, if there are any special instructions or activities planned for the attendees?
The gates open at 3:30. The meet starts at the opening ceremony is at 6:50 p.m. The first event is 7:15 p.m. We urge persons to come out early because the engagement from our sponsors starts from before. Tickets are on sale now online, mysticonlinetix.com and racersgrandprix.com. We begin physical sales of tickets at the Jamaica Pegasus on Friday, the 24th of May, from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. each day until Friday, the 31st of May,
Beautiful.
7 p.m. And then we move to the stadium ticket office for those sales.
Beautiful. Okay, so we don't have a lot of time left, but I wanted to ask you, like, looking ahead, what are your goals and your vision for the Racers Grand Prix in the future?
I have been fortunate to be a part of a committee that was already established. The members of the organizing committee are well experienced. So I lean more on their wisdom than they lean on mine. I want this to become an international meet whereby persons who are flying in to come and watch this and get this Jamaican experience. The Ministry of Tourism is on board.
Yes.
We also have great support from the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport through the SDF.
Right.
So those are some of our main sponsors.
Where can we find out more about you on social media?
Racers Grand Prix Official. That's us. Racers Grand Prix Official, please.
Can't miss it.
Racers all the details are there.
Official. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So anything where you never hear him say, here, check social media, you find it.
Please do.
Yeah.
And racersgrandprix.com, our website, you can get additional information there.
Listen, it sounds so exciting. We have persons watching. We can do some giveaways perhaps and
Naturally.
going. Everybody's talking about it, so buzzing. I want to,
We have tickets to give away. In fact, we have done quite a bit of promotion in the school, so we have given out quite a bit of tickets.
Excellent.
To the schools.
Beautiful.
Right.
Well, we'll do some giveaways here too. Thank you so much for joining us,
yes.
sir. It's an absolute pleasure. Yes, Racers Grand Prix. June 1st is going to be hot. On that note, Data and I would be right back with a throwback music video from Savannah. You don't want to.